Michael Jordan's iconic Air Jordan 4 is getting another kids-exclusive release for fall 2025, with Sneaker Market Row confirming the upcoming Fire Red and Starfish colorway. This new edition is expected to arrive in a bold mix of fire red, starfish, sesame, white, and black, promising a fiery and eye-catching aesthetic. However, exact details on how the colors will be applied, as well as the materials used, remain unknown at this time. A speculative mock-up based on the confirmed color palette offers a possible look, but it may not represent the final retail version. As always, stay tuned for official images and release information as it becomes available. This upcoming release adds to a strong lineup for the silhouette in 2025. Notably, Nike SB and Jordan Brand are also reviving their collaboration on the Air Jordan 4, with the new edition expected to drop in March, adding even more heat to the year's offerings.